Today we have Dr. Praveen Rastogi, Principal of KCMT Campus 2, Prem Prakash Gupta Institution. So heartily welcome to you, ma'am, on behalf of College Dunia. Thank you for giving your precious time to us. Before moving to topic, kindly introduce yourself.
Myself Dr. Praveen Rastogi. I am the Principal of KCMT Campus 2, Prem Prakash Gupta Institute, here on Faridpur Road, Bareilly. And the college was established in 2009 and I have been here for last 7 to 8 years.
Any insight into your institute could be more welcoming to the students of different races or economic backgrounds?
As we all know that higher education is becoming expensive day by day, and the load of higher education is upon the shoulders of the parents, not of the students. Considering this, like our college Prem Prakash Gupta Institute runs a charitable fund for the students, which is a special scholarship for meritorious students. And if the student take that scholarship, they can definitely have cut in their fee. Other than that, we have special scholarships for students who have lost either of their parent. So considering that, also we give a discount in the fee. Another thing is that we give special classes, remedial classes to the students who are not able to afford expensive coachings and all for the higher education. So in this way, there are a lot of incentives in our college which can be gained by the students to enhance their knowledge.
What do you like people to know about your institution they may not know?
Apparently all higher education institutions look the same. They have the buildings and they have the infrastructure. But there are certain special things which are only going on in this college. The first thing is that we have a very democratic environment. Like in teaching learning process, the students are participating as much as the teachers. Like generally the students sit in the audience seats and the special guests are on the stage. But in our college, our students are on the stage, they are performing and we are listening. They make teams, we encourage them to make teams and then they present the syllabus in their own way. So in this way the education becomes very interesting, and in this manner we come very close to our students and it establishes a very good teacher-student relationship. So more of a friendly environment, though there is a lot of learning, but yes, experiences and the joy of learning is also there in our college. That is a real.
Education system in India and other foreign countries are structured very differently. In your experience, what can inbound students gain from studying here in your institute?
Yes, definitely. In the last question also I answered that there are certain practices, like if you talk about NEP 2020, which is the National Education Policy, it has come now, like people are applying it today. But an insightful teacher has done it long before. In our institute, whatever has come in NEP 2020, we have already been doing that. In our institution, there are regular personality development classes, there are regular communication classes, there are special workshops to enhance the skills of the students. Not only the theoretical knowledge is going in the classes, but we have special workshop for students to learn some skills, and there are extra workshops also which we give to our students, which we conduct for our students for skill development. We send our students for internships. Several other college students are coming to our college for internships. So there are certain things which a student benefits from taking admission in our institute, definitely.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much for giving me this golden opportunity.